What's up? Today I'm going to show you how to get this vocoder effect.
Wish I could tell you all the ways our presence always made me feel. And I'm falling deep and I see you in my mind so clear.
So the first thing I'm going to do is add a vocoder to that track. And from that vocoder we can listen to it now, but it's not going to sound that good.
Wish I could tell you all the ways our presence.
Ew. So next thing we're going to do is click external, and I'm going to select my serum track up here, which is just a basic solid. And with that selected, now we're going to get this.
Wish I could tell you all the ways our presence always made me feel. And I'm falling deep and I see you in my mind so clear.
Can also change the bands on it
Wish I could tell you all the ways our presence always made me feel.
and the format.
Deep and I see you in my mind. 'Cause you're the man.
And I like to have just the vocoder as a layer on top of like a main layer, so the final product I usually would like to sound like this.
Wish I could tell you all the ways our presence always made me feel. And I'm falling deep and I see you in my mind so clear. 'Cause you open my eyes to something that just